Andrew with Klondike Air Conditioning. I'd like to talk about service agreements right now. This is an agreement between us and the homeowner that we will come out 1 or 2 times a year and take care of your equipment for you. This can save you money in the long run doing preventive maintenance and taking care of your equipment to make sure that it runs at its most efficient level. Now, if you are a service agreement customer, you will receive extra benefits. Benefits include we don't charge you for a service call if you have problems or breakdowns in between service calls. You get top of the list priority service. If there's a heat wave and you call, you go to the top of the list. And also you get discounts on parts and repair costs, so that saves you money also. I believe that service agreements are a great way to save money on your energy bill and also out-of-pocket costs on repairs and services.